यहाँ पर बताइए, आपने देखा कितने लोग थे, क्या हुआ था सर?
2 guys on the motorcycle से।
2 लोग थे सर। किनको कितनी गोली लगी थी सर?
I had 3 sounds।
जो लड़के थे मारने वाले कितनी उम्र होगी सर?
They were young boys।
वो कितनी?
He was known to many as the father of underworld reporting. Jyotirmoy Dey, who was the editor investigations of Mumbai-based tabloid Midday, has been shot dead near his residence in Powai. Dey was shot at in the head by 2 bike-borne assailants. The journalist was immediately rushed to the Hiranandani hospital, but he
finally officially gave up his Indian citizenship and took on the citizenship of Qatar. That he believed that coming back would mean that he would spend a lifetime of appearing in courts and of risking his exhibitions being vandalized.
There are at least 2 very vulgar paintings, each showing woman and animal having intercourse.
MF हुसैन जानबूझ के ये कहते हैं कि मैं उस व्यक्ति को नंगा करता हूं क्योंकि मैं उनको ह्यूमिलिएट करना चाहता हूं। अपने धर्म के जो नेता इनको भी करें तो मान लेंगे, ठीक है, इनका स्वभाव ऐसा भाई सबको नंगे दिखाना, ये कहाँ की बात है?
I was actively involved in Anna Hazare's campaign against corruption.
ये है दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी जमहूरियत भारत, जहां एक निहत्ती औरत को अपनी राय के इजहार की भी इजाजत नहीं। अरुंधति राय का कसूर ये है कि वो भारत में रहकर मजलूम कश्मीरियों की हिमायत में बोलती है।
I wanted to buy a flat in Bombay, and it wasn't given to me because I was a Muslim. Now, I mean, if Javed Akhtar and Shabana Azmi cannot get a flat in Bombay because they are Muslims, what are we talking about?
सेंसर बोर्ड ने अगर पास किया होगा बॉम्बे शब्द, हमारे MNS के हमारे जो मुंबई की सेंसर बोर्ड है उनका पास तो चाहिए ना बॉम्बे के लिए। करके दिखाइए ना, अभी लगाई, मैं एक बात लगा के दिखाइए ना।
You responded to it by saying I'll give sword. एक मिनिट, मी गप्प नाही बसणार। महाराष्ट्रात तिकडे येऊन काठ्यावाट्याची भाषा नाही करायची आणि हे कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत सहन केलं जाणार नाही ह्याच्या पुढे देखील। जर पुढे पण ते तसेच वागले, मीही तसाच वागले।
Freedom of speech, is there such a thing as too much? Are we as a society becoming more intolerant?
Baba Ramdev is expected to move to Supreme Court today challenging the judgment. The special leave petition that Ramdev has advanced says homosexuality is a curable disease.
What is your age, Sai?
Yeah, I'm 27.
27. What do you like?
Yeah, I'm into versatile. And you?
Yeah, even I am also versatile here.
Okay.
This is not only against religion. Of course, Islam and Christianity is totally against it. We cannot approve it in a civilized society.
जब तक हम वो एड के ग्रीन सर्टिफिकेट देते नहीं, तब तक पिक्चर रिलीज नहीं हो। हमको वो दृश्य बराबर लगे, ठीक लगे, रानी साहब ने बोला कि ठीक है पिक्चर रिलीज करो, तब जाके पिक्चर रिलीज हो।
Mumbai belongs to India and I'm a Maharashtrian and I'm extremely proud of that. But I'm an Indian.
सचिन के इस बयान से नाराज हैं बाला साहब ठाकरे।
105 लोगों के बलिदान से जो मुंबई बनी है वो दूसरे प्रदेश के लोगों की नहीं हो सकती, और अगर ऐसी किसी ने कोशिश की तो हम उसका खून पी जाएंगे।
You must admire to that extent that this is the man who actually made Germany. Again, you will blame Hitler for riots.
No, just a small matter of the Holocaust.
Okay,
we'll leave that aside.
It's outrage over a new book that suggests Mahatma Gandhi was bisexual. The Maharashtra government has decided to ban this book.
Who is the BJP or its groups like the Bajrang Dal, these different senas that have gone on the rampage over the years? Who are they to tell the people of India what culture is?
Democracy doesn't mean complete freedom to kill your own self. Democracy doesn't mean to take drugs all the time. Democracy doesn't mean that you go and have sex freely and then become pregnant without getting married.
वो उतना ही है जितना ये लोग भड़काते हैं ना समाज में, आपस में दोनों जुट के बीच में, धर्म के बीच में झगड़ा पैदा करते हैं। मैं MF हुसैन को उससे अलग नहीं समझता हूँ, वो भी इस तरह का आग लगवा रहा है।